welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? My name is Beth. I have the June Slayglambox. It comes in this, it's paper, but it's so cute. It has little handles, looks like a little purse, and I'm telling you, I'm excited. I canceled this, but I decided to get just one more for right now, but I will probably redo it once I move, because we'll be moving. Oh my god, this is really cute. They have, what is in here? So I don't know what this is, but I have this. Oh, what is this? It's like a little brush. Okay. Oh, it's like, oh, it's a brush. Interesting. It's like a little brush. See? And then this side, it's like a little, you know, you could probably put your eyeliner on with it. It's very thin. It's a little hard though, but it's cool. So it looks like a brush. And I'll tell you everything, you know, when let me just take this stuff out first. I love this one. I think I might end up liking this one better than nothing else, the boxy charm. So I'm just kind of reading. Okay, so we have a Luminizer bronzer by Caitlin. This is interesting. Look at this. It's a bronzer. I use bronzer once in a while. What is it? Let's see what this is. Oh, cool. This has, oh, neat. This has, look at, I think this is the brush, and then you open that for the bronzer. How do you turn it down? Looks like the brush is in here. Okay, I'm gonna have to fool with this, because there has to be a way that the, oh, here, oh, okay. See, I'm turning it. Oh, look at this. Love it. Love it. Oh my god, this, and it sits right on top. And then you open this up and you get the bronzer. Oh, I love this. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. I'm gonna just keep it out like this. Now this is Bang Beauty. So let's see what this says. Interesting. What is this? Brow cream. Oh, it's a brow cream. Okay. Ooh, very versatile. Love this. I think I got other brow creams. I'm not positive. I think I do. But that's a brow cream. I'm not gonna put my finger in it. I might just, oh, and it comes with, oh my god, look at how cute. It comes with like a little brush. So cute. I'm not going to put my finger. I might just pass this along because I do have a lot of brow cream stuff. So that is cute. I really like this stuff. I think I like the Slayglam better. You get, it's $24, $4 more. You get quite a bit of cute. What the heck? You get a whole bunch of stuff in this thing. Holy cow. Wow. What is this? This is Kiss Proof Lip. Oh my god. I'm definitely love these colors. Look at how cute that is. Wow. By Bella Pierre. Love that. And here, same brand, but it's more darker. It looks like a red, or like not really. I don't know. Let me see. Oh yeah, like a burgundy. Cool. So if I want to be sexy, and then a red lip pencil, truly red. I don't have many lip pencils, so this is great. Perfect. I got a lot of stuff here. Wow. I'm loving it. And this is Seduce Me by Beauty Creations. It looks like it's an eye palette. So let's just take this out and see what it is. Ooh, it's so cute. I like the feathers. Wow. Oh my god, look at how beautiful this eye palette is. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at all those colors. I am not going to swatch these. I'm going to do a separate video on this palette and trying it on and everything. So I'm not going to swatch them. I'm going to wait do a separate whole video on that. I love this. So the Kiss Proof Slay Kit. So this must be the kit. All these stuff for your lips is $45. The brow cream is $22. I mean, you're already way past your $24. The bronzer is $33. Wow. The eye brush is $22 for this thing. It's Caitlin too. And the whole palette is $14.99, which really surprises me because I would think the way they packaged it seems like a $50 palette or $40 palette. Wow. So let me total this up. Where's my thing? Let me total this up. So really, when you get these kits, it's worth the money, I'm telling you. So let's see. 45, 22, 33, 22, and $14.99. $136.99 value. What the heck? That is awesome! And you're only paying $24. And you get all this. Wow, I really, really am impressed. I'm gonna have to definitely, I think, go back and resubscribe, because I think I've been getting these beautiful palettes, and I've been getting a lot of stuff in here, more than the BoxyCharm. The BoxyCharm you only get like a few little products, but I've been getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products in here. I count these separate, but I guess they do this as one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 products, but it just seems so much. It's not little. So I really love this. This is really cool. So if you want to go and subscribe, go to www.slayglambox.com. I'm telling you, this is fun as anything. And I love this palette. Now I have one rolling. So that is it for the June Slay Glam box. I hope you like it. And I might just save these aside, you know, the stuff, because I have a lot of brow stuff. Save these aside and maybe I'll do like a drawing type thing. You know, maybe you can answer a question and then I can pick out the best answer. I don't know. So I will definitely save this out to the side in a little area so I can give this away to one of you. So I will save a whole bunch of stuff, and then we will do, when I start gathering a whole bunch, then I'll do like a drawing, and then you guys can win some good stuff, because I have a whole bunch of brow stuff, so I don't need this. And I might end up giving this away because I have a bunch of brushes too. So I might end up giving this away too. So we'll see. But oh my god, this stuff is awesome. And if I get any more lip stuff, then that will go into the box too. So stay tuned for that. And I will let y'all know when I do that. And have an awesome day. Thank you for subscribing to me. Welcome all the new members. And we're just a little happy family. I do a lot of different videos. I post the different ones I do, like makeup, paranormal. I do regular vlogs. I do clothing hauls. I mean, I do a whole bunch of different variety, so everybody could have something, the favorite that they want to watch. And I love doing them. I love doing the variety. I love doing makeup. I love doing clothing. I love doing different things. So just welcome, and I love you all, and have a great day.